HTML YouTube videos. The easiest way to play videos in HTML is to use YouTube. Struggling with video formats? Converting videos to different formats can be difficult and time-consuming. An easier solution is to let YouTube play the videos in your web page. YouTube Video ID. YouTube will display an ID, like TG Benin's 7VQY, when you save, or play, a video. You can use this ID, and refer to your video in the HTML code. Playing a YouTube video in HTML. To play your video on a web page, do the following. Upload the video to YouTube. Take a note of the video ID. Define an iframe tag element in your web page. Let the src attribute point to the video URL. Use the width and height attributes to specify the dimension of the player. Add any other parameters to the URL, see below. YouTube Autoplay plus Mute. You can let your video start playing automatically when a user visits the page, by adding autoplay = 1 to the YouTube URL. However, automatically starting a video is annoying for your visitors. Note Chromium browsers do not allow autoplay in most cases. However, muted autoplay is always allowed. Add mute = 1 after autoplay = 1 to let your video start playing automatically, but muted. YouTube playlist. A comma-separated list of videos to play, in addition to the original URL. YouTube loop. Add loop = 1 to let your video loop forever. Value 0, default. The video will play only once. Value 1. The video will loop, forever. YouTube controls. Add controls = 0 to not display controls in the video player. Value 0. Player controls does not display. Value 1. Default, player controls display. At the end of this video, I want to say that I appreciate your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Please support us by subscribing our channel so that we can make more informative videos for you. Share, like, and add comments on this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.